Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Monday, US markets rose sharply due to neutral positive news flow. However, Asian markets are under pressure due to weak economic data from China and also awaiting the outcome of the Bank of Japan on interest rates. So, if we go through with the overall setup of the market, then we are also going to see higher opening on the back of specific bullishness in the gift Nifty. It is around 125 points higher as compared to its previous close. We may see the levels of 19,200 to 25 at the opening, where the market is having good amount of resistance. And if we see the market is like holding above the levels of 19,250, then we can expect further more rally up to 19,330, 335. And if the markets are strong enough, then we are going to see the markets beyond the levels of 19,335. In case market fails at 19,225 or 250, then again it may revisit the levels of 19,100 or 19,050 levels during the day. Broadly, the strategy should be to look for reducing positions between 19,200, 19,250 levels. And for the Bank Nifty, it is now entering into multiple resistance zone. Here also we saw strong comeback from the lower levels. However, now 43,300 to 43,600, the Bank Nifty is having multiple resistance levels. And that's the reason here we need to be extra careful while adding long positions. But in case if there is any correction, then close to 43,000 or maybe 42,900, we should look for adding some positions with a stop loss at 42,700. Apart from this major indices, we need to focus on a few auto companies, as well as we are going to keep a close watch on NBFCs and cement companies. Most of the time we see some activity on the back of their announcements on monthly numbers. So in this particular basket, we like Ultratech Cement from the cement companies. We are also keeping a close watch on stocks like TVS Motors and Tata Motors, as most of the time they report strong numbers. Bajaj Auto also should be on the watch list. And from the NBFCs, here we are going to focus on specifically Mahindra and Mahindra Finance as well as Bajaj Finance. Apart from this, if we go through with the large cap companies, then we saw some recovery in HDFC Bank from the lower levels. Now 1500 is going to act as major resistance for it. And for Reliance Industries, it has made a strong comeback from the lower levels. Now the next level to watch out for would be 2350 and 2375. On the downside, 2280 is now going to act as major support for it. That's all from my side. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.